It is the beginning of the Christmas celebration. People from the Igbo-speaking part of Nigeria are returning back to their villages to celebrate the Christmas and the New Year. All road leads to the eastern part of Nigeria. Some arrive in their multi-million-dollar car entourage, while others use their business jets and touch down their villages. These wealthy Nigerians own mansions, mega mansions, with price tag running into millions of dollars. Some of these homes even feature emergency helipads, nightclubs, 18 bedrooms.
The total bedroom we have here is 18 rooms.
Land size double of that of a football field.
This building is on 30,000 square meters.
The irony here is that as expensive and huge as these homes might be, they don't live here permanently.
70% don't live here. They just build and they lock it up.
They only visit once or twice a year for a few days, and for many others, their mansions are left empty for years and accumulate dust. Some of these rich Igbos live abroad. They send millions of dollars back home to construct these mega mansions. I'm going to investigate this tradition and explain why. In the previous episode, we watched them flaunt their mansions and visited some of their homes, but in this particular episode, we traveled with them, lived with them, and dined with them. For the first time, I flew multiple private jets, drove in bulletproof cars, saw expansive convoys, met with superstars, all to tell the story of the Igbo culture of Eastern Nigeria.
The Igbos in Nigeria are always returning home for Christmas, primarily for family reunions, strengthening cultural and community bonds, and celebrating various social events like weddings, funerals, and cultural festivals. For many, it has evolved from a religious holiday into integral homecoming tradition, a time to reconnect with their ancestral roots, show love through gifting, and contribute to their home communities even with the cost of travel. The key reasons could be for family and community reunion. Christmas is a crucial time for family members who live in different parts of Nigeria and abroad to gather. It's an opportunity to reconnect with grandparents, cousins, and other relatives, strengthening their family ties. If it's your first time on our channel, consider clicking the red subscribe button and turning on the notification icon so you don't miss out on future videos from this channel. As on this channel, we actually talk about how and why Nigerians actually behave as they do, exploring their cultural interests and their economic interests alongside political ties. The holiday period is packed with social events like traditional marriages, housewarmings, and birthday parties. It is also a time when communities hold annual general meetings to discuss development projects like building schools, churches, or roads, and to raise funds for them. The tradition is deeply rooted in the culture and a sense of belonging. It's a time to give back to the ancestral home and share in the collective experience with family and community. The return is often marked by the exchange of gifts. Those who travel from cities bring gifts of food and other items to share with extended family, and a reciprocal exchange of gifts occur between villagers and travelers, with spiritual and traditional significance. While it's a Christian holiday, the return is also steeped in tradition that involves community gatherings and symbolic activities like the traditional system and stream visits. The influx of returning Igbos boosts the local economy in their hometown. In this video, we will explore all of this, so make sure you stick with us from the beginning to the very end so you don't miss out on any important part. Every year, when people of Igbo extraction troop home en masse from all parts of Nigeria and all other countries, others wonder what pushes them to embark on this annual ritual in spite of the high cost and discomfort associated with the journey. Must the Igbos travel home during the Christmas New Year period? If they don't travel, will anything happen to them? But what exactly do they go home to do that cannot be postponed? What is special about their towns and villages that makes it almost compulsory that they return to them during the Yuletide? From December 20 to about January 5th All flights going from Lagos and Abuja to Enugu, Owerri and Asaba are sold out. All buses moving to the southeast from key Nigerian cities are fully booked, even though fares are doubled. Most buses playing the southeastern route don't wait to pick up passengers from the southeast or Lagos to Abuja. They simply do what they call turn back by returning to Lagos or Abuja that same day. So, as the passenger is paying for himself and the passenger that would have been picked up from the southeast if the bus had waited for the next day to pick up passengers. Christmas is not traditional to the Igbos. It is a way of life. It has become embedded in their culture that they must travel home during that time and as at that time. But the Igbo do not return to their ancestral home annually just because it is Christmas time. The period between December 5th and January 5th is seen by most Igbo as a period of rest after the toiling and exertion of the year. The businessmen usually do not have any leave all through the year. They work 6 days or even 7 days of the week. So by the end of the year, they travel to the land of their belts so that they can rest and re-strategize for the new year. Which is worth asking, isn't this a great tradition? To ensure that this is done, many of the markets controlled by the Igbos within Igbo land or outside Igbo land are shut down between December 23rd and January 2nd so that those who sell in them can forcefully rest. Secondly, the Igbos are the ethnic group with the highest number of indigenes outside their communities. There is a strong belief among the Igbo that a person's financial and professional breakthrough is better achieved outside the person's community. The thinking is that there is a service one can offer in a foreign land better than the locals. So people relocate from the villages and towns to Onitsha, Aba, Nnewi, Owerri, Asaba, Abakaliki, or relocate other regions within Nigeria or other countries. Easter is only a weekend. Christmas and New Year are 1 week apart, and the days before and after them form a period of about 2 weeks, which is the longest period of break available for people who have been away for a while to return and spend some time with their family members and childhood friends. It is the period during which the boys who left home to become apprentices are settled after serving their masters for about 7 years. Those who live outside their communities also bring their children home to know their kids and kin and learn their dialect. It is also a period for people to meet their potential wives and husbands. If you've watched the video to this point, kindly click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you do not miss out on our future videos from the channel, and I'll see you in my very next one.